Spirometry. Spirometry is type of pulmonary function test. It determines how well your lungs work by measuring how much air goes into and out of your lungs when you breathe. Spirometry is safe, though you may feel lightheaded or dizzy from repeated deep breaths. Your healthcare provider will contact you a few days after your test with your result. This is an overview of spirometry. There is nose clip, spirometer, and measuring your lungs airflow. What is spirometry? Spirometry is a common type of pulmonary function. Another name for a pulmonary function test is a lung function test. A spirometry test measures the flow of air through your lungs and estimates the amount of air in your lungs. It also tells your healthcare provider how strong your lungs are and how well you breathe. Why is spirometry? Spirometry determines if your lungs are functioning at expected levels. It also helps to diagnose lungs and airways disease, including 1. Asthma, 2. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, 3. Cystic fibrosis, 4. Pulmonary fibrosis. Spirometry can also 1. Determine your lung capacity, 2. Measure change over time that occur as a result of chronic lung disease, 3. Identify early change in your lungs function and in some cases help guide treatment. When would spirometry be needed? 1. When your chest tightness, pain or pressure. 2. Coughing, especially coughing with mucus. 3. Difficulty taking a deep breath. 4. Shortness of breath or dyspnea. How is spirometry test performed? Your healthcare provider may conduct your test at the office or in a special lung function laboratory. They will place soft clips on your nose. The clip help you breathe in and out only through the mouthpiece attached to the spirometer. You will then take a deep breath in and blow forcefully into the spirometer through the mouthpiece. The spirometer measures the amount of air you blow out in your lungs and the amount you inhale back into your lungs. You will repeat the test at least 3 times to ensure your results are accurate and reproducible. Your healthcare provider may also ask you to breathe in the medicine that help open your airways. You will then perform testing on the spirometer again. Your healthcare provider will compare the result of your test before and after you inhale the medicine. They will then decide if they can use the medicine in your treatment plan. What should I expect after spirometry? After the test, you may restart any medicine your healthcare provider told you to stop taking. You can also return your usual activities, include exercise. Your healthcare provider will tell you when they expect your test result. In some cases, they may also test for lung volume and diffusion capacity after a spirometry test. This test measures your lungs volume capacity, as well as the ability of your lungs to transfer oxygen to your blood. This test supplements spirometry test by helping your provider diagnose certain lungs or breathing conditions. Your provider may conduct this test regularly to see how your breathing is progressing.